Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable default waiting room in Zoom. If you want a simple way to add an extra layer of control to your meetings, turning on the waiting room feature is a great option. It allows participants to enter a holding area before you admit them into the meeting, which can help you manage attendance and improve security. To begin, go to the Zoom homepage. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account before continuing, since this setting will apply to your meeting preferences. Once you're on the Zoom home screen, look toward the bottom left area and click on My Account. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your profile and meeting settings. From there, click on Settings. This is where Zoom keeps many of the controls related to meetings, recordings, notifications, and other account preferences. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. You're in the right place. Next, select Meeting. This section contains the settings that affect how your meetings behave by default. Since the waiting room is a meeting access feature, this is the section where you'll need to make the change. Now scroll down through the meeting settings until you find the option labeled Enable Waiting Room. Depending on your account type or Zoom layout, it may take a moment to locate it. So scroll carefully and look through the available meeting options. When you find it, click the Enable Waiting Room toggle button to turn the feature on. Once the toggle is enabled, Zoom will apply this setting as your default, so future meetings will use the waiting room unless you choose to change the setting later. After enabling it, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that the toggle remains switched on. In Zoom, an enabled setting is usually visually highlighted, making it easy to verify that the change was saved successfully. That's all it takes to enable the default waiting room in Zoom. This small adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your meetings organized and giving you more control over who joins and when. If you're regularly hosting sessions with clients, teams, or larger groups, this is a helpful setting to leave on by default. Thank you for following along, and that's how to enable the default waiting room in Zoom.